So this is how you clean the filter. You really want to make sure that there obviously is going to be some paint chips that's going to come out of here, or debris. If you can, try to keep that from going down through the from the drain itself, if at all possible. Use your fingers and go back through and pick up that stuff. You want to clean that filter out really well. See how much stuff there is on there. Going through here and cleaning that out. The sand's okay if it gets down there. Don't really want to have a bunch of it in there, but a little bit won't hurt it that much. You want to make sure when you open it back up that it's pretty well cleaned out. The cleaner that this is, the better off it's going to be. Looks like there's some hair in there. You might have to get your fingers in there and get it out. But regardless, that's how you clean that filter.